We're doing this video because of the many different horror stories that I've heard of people needing to hire other folks just on a temporary basis in order to get them to do data entry. So we're going to start by setting up BlueCat power-ups in the power-up section. And let's go ahead and search for BlueCat and scroll all the way down. And add, and here I'm going to choose a file that I already have. And I'm going to pick the first one. And notice how in here we don't have the last activity date or the board name. And that's one of the limitations, is board name just doesn't exist when using BlueCat. So you have to do it board by board. So as you can see, I've added here just for you, and we'll have this in a link in the description below, field 1 and 2. And these are two fields. The best practice is to go ahead and concatenate two different fields. So let's say that I don't have last activity date. Well, in this case, what we can do is we can concatenate the last activity date and another text field, and then we can take that concatenation and put it under a card description. So now we're going to go back and we're actually going to try to upload the file that we have everything set up. And this is the file. Let's open that up. Import. And click X. Now let's go to our board, and here we can see our different imports.